Just call me Zelena at this point, like. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm DejaxAaliyah or Deja Lee, and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below to join the gang, join the Dej dolls. Because at this point, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what you doing, sis? Like, what you doing? For real, what you doing? But yeah, let's get right into this video. So I have another hair review for you guys today, and the wig that I'm reviewing is this Sensational Wet Lace Collection wig in the style Zelena, and this is the color Flamboyage Blonde. And let's get right into it because I love this wig. I'm pretty sure I had this wig before in the color 613. I'm pretty sure, like, this is not my first time wearing this wig, but I didn't review it when I wore it because I ordered a 613 and that's not the color that I actually wanted it in. So I ended up not doing a review for it. So yeah, this is the color Flamboyage Blonde, and I really love this wig so far. The layers in this wig are gorgeous. Like, do y'all see that? She is beautiful. She's like, wow. This is a really popular sensational wig, and I'm pretty sure y'all can see why. I mean, look at it. It hasn't been tangling much. Yeah, I'm running my fingers straight through it, and when I run my fingers through, I get about 2 strands, so it sheds a little bit, as every wig does. It doesn't shed crazy. So all I did to this wig was I used my foundation actually for this wig, because I ran out of my Even Lace tinting spray, and the other color that I have is way too late. So I ended up just using my foundation, which I actually don't like doing at all, because foundation ain't cheap, okay? Like, if you wear makeup, you know foundation is not cheap. So anyway, this is what the part looks like without any concealer on it. I'm actually not gonna put concealer on it because I want to do some other styles, so it don't even make sense to put the concealer on the middle part right now, because this is not how I'm gonna have it throughout the whole video. So I just didn't even bother putting no concealer on the part. Also, I want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway. I will be giving away a wig, of course. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is 1, be subscribed to my YouTube channel, 2, follow me on Instagram, and 3, share the picture that I'll be posting in this wig. And that's all you got to do to enter the giveaway. But make sure that when you share it, you tag me in it so that I can see and I can make sure your name is entered into the giveaway. Please, please, please don't forget to tag me, because if you don't tag me, I'm not gonna know to enter you into the giveaway. So let's get back into this wig. The color is really pretty. Like, that's one thing Sensational never misses with, is the colors of their wigs. Like, this is a 13 by 6 lace wig, which I love. Like, I really love when a synthetic wig is 13 by 6, because you could do some things to the wig, which I'm gonna do some things to this wig. Also, it is very beginner friendly to me. So the wig is big head friendly. I didn't adjust the straps to make it tighter in the back, and it fits my head pretty good. It's not too snug. Like, it's literally the perfect fit on my head. I have no cons about this wig. I definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. This wig is perfect to me. There's nothing for me to complain about at all. Like, it's my style. This is me. Like, Zelena is me. Just call me Zelena at this point. Like, it looks really natural. Like, you could literally wear this wig on any occasion. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put some styles in it, so if you want to see that, keep watching. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at DejaxAaliyah, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Dej dolls.